Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys, as you can tell, I am moved into the college dorm, so I'm very excited about that. I'm in a great space up here at Charleston, so I'm very excited about it. I've had a pretty fun couple days so far, just kind of moving in, but I'm going to be doing the dorm tour soon. If you all care about it, I mean, it is more than just this room. There's a lot more kind of in my space that I'd love to show you all kind of around, but yeah, aside from that, we're really going to be getting straight to this video discussing if you guys should hold or sell the Air Jordan 1 Volt Gold, because I know this has been something that people have been asking me in the comment sections. I already kind of have had my opinion set on this one. Like I know what to think on this one, and I'm very confident in what I think it will go for. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. If you want more, again, hold or sell kind of sneaker investment content like this, if you just want to describe it like that, then yeah, go ahead, subscribe and like down below. I'd really appreciate it. Goal is 200 likes. I've been hitting y'all with a lot of sneaker investment videos in a row lately, so my bad on that, but you guys like them, so we're gonna keep posting them. But that's everything I gotta say. Join my Discord down below if you haven't. You're missing out. It's a good community, but that's all I'm gonna say. Let's just get into the video. Also, I do want to say that this video is sponsored by Skillshare, so I do want to say a huge shout out to them for sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate it. Basically, Skillshare is kind of like for people like me. They're an online and creative platform that basically allows you and other people that are kind of interested in creating stuff, whether it be photography, illustration, graphic design. Like those are a few things I can name off the top of my head that I know some of you all would definitely be interested in. Like, people that make thumbnails or different things like that. Those are just some things I list off the top of my head, but basically they're a community and they come together and they have these classes that you can kind of take at your own pace. It can really help you build your creative ability even more and kind of help you expand your talents, and it's really a great thing. I love their service. So I also took this video editing course by Ali Abdal. He's one of the people on the actual platform for Skillshare, and it was really great and informative. If Skillshare is something that interests you, you guys can go check them down below and sign up there with the link, and yeah, really join in on Skillshare because it's a great community, and if you want to expand your talents, that's the way you can do it. So the first 1,000 people to click that link at the top of the description right there get a free trial of Skillshare Premium. Now let's roll into the video. Alright, so as you guys can see, I am here with the screen recording. So again, if you want to go check the Instagrams down below, I got my IGs down here, or just kind of on the screen. So they'll be in the description there if you want to check them out. Give me a follow, but that's all I really got to say. So let's just kind of get into Air Jordan 1 High right here. So the Volt Golds, I did manage to get a pair of these off sneakers the other day. I'll show you all right now. I put it in the thumbnail just so y'all can see, but as you can see, your boy was able to get a size 11.5, which is a very good size for Jordan 1s. I'm very happy that I was able to hit on that size on my computer. My computer account's back, hitting good again, which is a very good thing because, I've just been going, using these manual sneakers methods, and, they've kept working. So, to everybody that says I don't hit, I'll show you all my pair in a little bit. But aside from that, let's just kind of get into, retail was 170, not anything too crazy right now. As you can kind of tell in the market, they're really all going around 220. Some of those smaller sizes are going right up, towards like 260, 280, which I think is, a good and fair price that you should be going for. They may drop a little bit more again since these just released on the 9th. There's definitely so much potential for these to drop another 10 bucks, maybe like 15 bucks, but I don't see it going below 200. That just doesn't make sense to me. If these did, it's a nice pair of Jordan 1s, and I could see these especially going up around the summertime, specifically because that neon green and that yellow theme. I just could see these being something people would want to wear around summer. Jordan 1s are kind of on the rise again. They've never really fallen off, I'd say. Jordan 1s have always been popular, and this is just another one that I'm like, yeah, I see it around summertime. It's probably going to be doing really well. So yeah, right now seeing it going around 220 to like 250. That's not what I'm thinking it's gonna be at. So my opinion is go invest in sizes like 8 through 12 or some of those smaller sizes. I would have to go check out the grade school sizing because again, the pricing for these right here is not accurate on what it tells you. I would have to type it in and see what the grade school sizes are going for. It's probably a little bit less, but you could go invest in grade school sizes. I'd recommend again sizes 5Y through 7Y if you're investing in grade school, and then just for normal adult sizes 8 through 12, those are kind of the ones I'd go with. I'm always happy with that size 11.5. It's just kind of like my golden size. I don't mind if y'all go invest in that size too. Of course I can't, like I'm making the video, I'm trying to help you all out, so go invest in that size. That's the size I see going up the most, aside from grade school ones. So grade school ones would also be a cheaper investment, so if you don't have as much money, you could go invest in those grade school sizes. But again, let's just kind of discuss it right now. So right now what they're going for around 200, 220. Let's just say that's what it is at, like 200, 230, whatever you want to say. I could see these ones if you hold them for 6 months, right around till summertime, maybe around August. I think that would be the perfect time to sell these, because since these just came out in January, it'd be a nice 8-month hold. I'm seeing these ones honestly probably going up to 325, 350, maybe in those smaller sizes even more. Some of those grade school ones, they could be really dubbing up on those in those sizes, those base sizes. I definitely could see it. Again, those are like, again, 5Y through 7Y. It's always a good range to go with for grade school, as I said. So again, I could see these ones going up another, you know, 100, 125 bucks, maybe even 150 in all sizes, because these going for like low 200 right now is definitely not a fair price range for these, just in my opinion, at least how I see it. Like I see this as being a really good and profitable investment. So I got my one pair, you know, I got it for retail. I'm gonna hold it since, you know, I got it for retail. There's no reason not to. But if I see this one start to rise slowly, I'll let you all know, and I'm definitely going to be trying to get more pairs, because I just have a feeling with these ones in grade school, it's going to be gold, especially around summer. Like that green and yellow pattern, like this is not something that can necessarily be ignored. I'd say you go look at the chart right now, it's been pretty much going down, and you can look previously, even when there was a few pairs flipping, like this is kind of, I'd say, a really accurate range right here. Like they were going for like around 300, you know, 300-ish through 290-ish, so I could see them going back up to that point very easily. And you know, they're gonna, again, they're on that downward trend right now, but since they dropped on the 9th right here, they really haven't gone down that much. Maybe again another like $5 or so. So again, they'll probably drop a little bit more, but doesn't mean you shouldn't go invest in them, because there's so many good Jordan 1s this year. Jordan 1s are going to be the kind of the crazy shoe for this year, just in my opinion. Like you've seen already, there's like making other pairs of like other colorways of like the turbo. I mean, it's not called the turbo, but you know, same like suede Jordan 1s. I mean, there's other remakes of like core purple colorways for the ones. I mean, there's a lot of, even Jordan 1 lows this year are going to be huge. I mean, there's just, I'm trying to even just list stuff off the top of my head on why this shoe is a positive investment. So yeah, right there, the Volt, you know, Volt Gold, whatever you want to call it, I think they're all right. I don't think they look amazing. Honestly, I wouldn't wear these probably unless I could, you know, find a good fit for them. But I bet you these look a lot nicer in hand. I'm just not a huge fan of the pictures of them. But yeah, I can't wait to get my in-hand pair, 11 and a half. And I'm going to keep holding for another 8 months till August, because I could see these going above 300 in all sizes. So I'm going to end the screen recording right there. Go invest in the Volt Gold. In my personal opinion, it is a hold for like 6 to 8 months, maybe a little bit till winter time, but I think it's money. So let's roll the outro. Anyways, again, if you guys want more sneaker investment, hold or sell, you know, just kind of content like this, I can do this after certain releases. I'll try and do this, whether I hit the release, on the release or not. I'll just start doing these videos for specific shoes, because I noticed they do well. And you know, again, I'm trying to just do, you know, do videos I know will reach more people, so you know, I can help more people out. But yeah, subscribe and like down below. I don't know why I just said that, because I know I already said that at the start, like probably 20 seconds ago. If I didn't though somehow, then yeah, goals 200 likes. I'm pretty sure I said that too already, but Instagram's in the description. You go check them down below. I'd appreciate the follow there. It's down there in the description by my boys at Skillshare. So again, shout out to them. You can go sign up with that link right there, and you know, get joined into the community if you're just, you know, kind of like, I guess, you know, creative or whatever, and you're really interested in kind of expanding, you know, your talents, whether it's photography, graphic design, FX, like all this stuff that can help you out there. So it's really great. And yeah, that's everything I got to say. So Discord down below. Don't miss out. I'm out. Peace.